Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday morning. And I am just sitting here enjoying the day, starting in a beautiful way. I have the most lovely scenery to look at. What I didn't tell you before is that my client has had such a neat experience. She got a job out here, and coincidentally, her father lives here. And so she was able to come live with him for a year before and while she was building this home. And so that's where I'm getting to stay. And I'm enjoying this lovely home and hospitality and this amazingly beautiful view this morning. It's just a great way to start the day. And it's going to be a light day today. So what I thought I would do is just share a little bit about my typical morning routine. You know, I've learned the hard way that if you want to have a great feeling, productive, and, energized day, it all starts with whatever happens first thing in the morning. And so for me, a routine that's really helped is to focus a lot on gratitude and all the, just awareness of all the things that are happening in my life that I just am so thankful for. And then thinking about the things I want to bring into my life and that I want to experience and all the things I want to do and accomplish, and just being a good feeling place about that. And even thinking about just the present moment, that's really all we have to make decisions and create our futures right now. And so it's a powerful exercise in the morning to focus on gratitude. And another thing that I do that has really helped in so many ways is Qigong. So for those of you who don't know, Qigong is like a combination of mindfulness and movement. And it's just a beautiful, lovely way to incorporate the body and a way of focusing the mind. And so it's great for all aspects of your well-being. And I just, it's been very powerful for me. So typically my first thing in the morning is my gratitude and thankfulness and quiet time. And then I always do Qigong. And if it's my day off, I'll do like a long session that involves flow movements and, just longer routine. But if I don't have much time, I always at least do, 5 to 7 minutes. And it's just such a profound way to set up the day. And so today's no exception. So I'm getting ready to do that, and just wanted to enjoy this view a little bit longer and share it with you. And then after that, it's breakfast and heading to the house. So stay tuned for more today, and I hope you're just having a lovely Sunday morning, and we'll see you soon. So day number 2 is in the books, and we got a lot done. Today was about really getting as much of the drawer and shelf lining done as we could, and we got all of the kitchen and pantry done. And actually, instead of doing the bathrooms, we decided it was a better idea to go ahead and work a little bit on pantry organization. And it was a good decision. We really needed to get the counters cleared off because tomorrow is move-in day. And so all those boxes and stuff are coming in. We needed the space to be able to unload. So the good thing is that when we did my client's kitchen before, we created a system using these water hyacinth bins, and she really still likes that. And they fit really well in the new pantry. So it's just a matter of once we get everything really unloaded tomorrow and Tuesday, assessing what really needs to live in the pantry, and then we'll know how many more bins we need to buy and all that kind of stuff. So today was really just kind of getting stuff off the counter. So we preliminarily set up some stuff in the pantry and threw some stuff in drawers, but we won't really do that detail work for 3 or 4 more days. So really excited though about what we got done. We used the same shelf liner. She really likes that. We had it at the other house, and it's good shelf liner. It's attractive, it's easy to clean, and it's kind of cushiony. And so it works really well in the shelves where there's dishes and cup and glasses and mugs. And so anyway, I also wanted to let you know, in case you're wondering, it really takes a long time to do shelf lining. So everything that you're seeing in these pictures right here, all of the upper cabinets, and then of course the drawers and the lower cabinets. In this case, there's a lot of drawers in the lower cabinets. So all that, and then in the pantry, we kind of did something that took a little bit longer than normal with these miter cuts. but it turned out really well, and I'm really pleased with that. But all of that took about 4.5 hours. So if we had added in the bathrooms, it really would have been a full day of working just to get everything lined. And of course, there's the expense of the shelf liner too. So choosing to do all the lining is kind of a big decision when you move in, but I do think it's worth it. And it's just such a nice finished look, and it protects the new paint on your shelves and drawers, and it's just so easy to clean if there's a spill, especially in the pantry. So I recommend it if you've got room in the budget for it. But anyway, we're almost done with all that. Tomorrow is move-in day. It's going to be a big day, and so looking forward to that, and hope you are having a great evening, and I'll just see you in the morning. Bye.